Hi guys, welcome to Naomi's Sweet Cooking Channel. And today we're going to do a vegan curry recipe. And this is a curry package that I like to order on Amazon, or there's a store next to, like close by. It's called Temp. If you guys live nearby, you can go there. And then there's like 3 different flavors. This one's medium hot. I also have rice already cooked. I have green onion, broccoli. This is the stuff that I put in, and then put some water in, microwave for 1 minute, and stir. And then pepper, coconut milk, and garlic, and cilantro. And then I have onion and green bell, sesame seed for some more flavor in it, and then bamboo, and then Chinese mushroom, it is fungus. I have potato and carrot already boiled, already soft. So I'm gonna turn this on to high right now. And then I'm going to add the green bell and onion in the pot.
How much green bells and onions are you putting in?
I do 1 and 1 bell.
1 onion and 1 green bell?
Yes. And then we just toss it in and let it boil for like 2 minutes to let it soft. And let's see if we get all of this. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna turn this on high. We're going to stir for mixing it all so that it could cook all the way. So you can see over here that green bell, carrot, onion, yeah. So we're going to wait for a little bit. Well, that one's, we're going to start adding the spices in. So it will get more time to the flavor to go in. For this one, garlic, I like to do, my family like a lot of garlic, so I normally do maybe 1/2 of this.
1/2 of what?
Garlic.
How much is that?
1 tablespoon.
So 1.5 tablespoons? Okay.
So mix it all the way. Yeah. So put it in there, and then I'm going to set my done pot over here so I do not have to use it. And then just sprinkle some salt, not salt, pepper. Just like depend how much pepper you like.
About how much do you think you put in?
Not too much because it's going to be really spicy.
Maybe like 1/2 teaspoon,
yeah,
you think?
It's on
Okay.
it.
All right.
And then cilantro, I just sprinkle it at I like it in the curry, so maybe like 2 or 3 of this.
2 or 3 shakes?
Yeah, I do more, but some people probably prefer. And then we could stir this again. And then, see. But this one is boiled. I set a timer for 2. And for the coconut milk, we're going to do last, but I like to shake it like for maybe minutes, like get all the bottom part mixed out of the top. Because if you do not shake it, the bottom thick cream is on the bottom, and then the top's like watery. So you don't want to. So shake it, but this one's good. So far you can see the little bit bubble right now, not us. And then after it got bigger bubble, we're gonna put this two in the Chinese mushroom and then the bamboo. And then after that, we're going to put the curry package, the golden curry, and the pot. So we're going to stir this, make sure nothing's on the bottom is burned. And let's see, put this in. So normally, some people probably think that guac is weird in curry, but we like to do it, and my family loves it. So you could do it if you want, but it's optional.
What else could you put in besides the broccoli?
You could do. Well, normally I do tofu, but we don't have any right now. So we do like 2 pack of tofu, like fry it, and then I put it, and then everything cooked, and then I put the tofu in, and like maybe boil for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then that's about it. So this timer is done, but it does not look boiling. Let's set it a little bit more. Okay, let's go ahead and add this one in. Those 2, mushroom and bamboo.
About how much do you think you have of each?
The bamboo is small can. It's about like this big at HEB. So I had 2 of this.
2 of
And
the
then-
small cans?
Yes. And then the fungus is like dry. And if we soak them, and then they like swallow. Yeah, and then, yeah, so they got big like this.
Okay. So how much do you think it was before you soaked it?
Maybe like this much.
A small handful?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like this much. So we're gonna put this all of this in. And then we're gonna set this over here. And then we're also gonna put the broccoli in here to let it boil.
How much broccoli do you think you have?
This one, maybe 1.5 or 2.
1.5, 2 cups?
I have, and then go ahead and toss it in. And then we're gonna stir it again. So you can come over here and look, and then so far we have all the vegetable that we put in. And normally I like to put in the fungus and also like the mushroom from HEB, the regular mushroom.
What do you mean by regular mushroom?
The one that you get in a container. The
white mushrooms?
Yeah, the
white
white
button mushrooms?
Yeah, the white button. There.
Okay.
Yes. But we didn't have any of that, so we did this one instead. Nobody had to follow that. And then we're going to go ahead and a teeny bit of this. Not too much.
How much would you say?
Maybe maybe take a teaspoon. That if we add too much, it's too strong. But this is really strong.
So about, you
smell.
said about 1 teaspoon?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
So I'm going to put a little bit. Since I have big pot, I'm supposed to get more. If we have smaller, probably like this will be enough for yours. Other yours has really strong flavor in it. And then we're going to stir it to mix the flavor in. And then the next thing, we're going to add the curry package. Because if we do it now, then later the flavor will go into all the food that we put in, all the vegetable. So I'll go ahead and do.
So you put in a full box of the curry powder?
Yes, since I have big pot. If we have small pot, just do 1 package because inside, let me show you. because inside right now I got 2 of them. So you could cut in half if you want.
But you put in both packets for this
Yes,
serving.
but this one I have big pot, so I put it in both.
So your big pot, how many people will that feed?
This one, maybe 8 or 9. Yeah. So I'm gonna scrape the rest in.
And you just followed the directions on the box to make the powder into a gel, or what did you do?
No, this one just because if let me finish this and then. So if I do put this in like this, just like the block, then like the blocks don't even get separated, so you might get one bite really salty. So that you do not want that. So that's why I melted and then make sure that nothing else is one bite salty and then the other.
So how much water do you think you added to the powder?
Maybe like 1.5 cup and then boil it. No, like microwave it, and then if it's too thick, add a bit more water, and then lighten it. So far we have this. You can see the color a little bit. See, you can see like yellowish color. So we're gonna wait for the boil, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk. So we had 2 choices. We had 1 tomato and 1 regular like chicken bone. That says you could do like chicken broth or beef broth, either way. So we're gonna do the tomato one this time. And I'm gonna try like this. And then, so maybe 1 of the tablespoon. Like this much. And I'm gonna put it in. And then if we need more, we can add more. So we don't want it to get too salty, and then later you can get the flavor back. So right now it's boiling. You guys see over here? And then
you're really starting to get the smell right.
Yeah,
right now,
you
that
get
yummy
the
curry smell.
You could get the sesame seed also, the golden curry, and so I could get this. I'm gonna set timer for 3 minutes, and then while this is boiling, I'm gonna get the rice ready. I'm gonna scoop some rice in a bowl. When this is timer's up, then we're gonna scoop some out, and then we're gonna try it out.
So you want to just let it stir for a few?
Yeah,
let it boil for a few minutes?
Let it boil until the timer went off.
So how much time did you put on it from the very beginning?
3 minutes to when you put everything in, set time for 3 minutes. And then after this finished boil, we're gonna put this in, and then let it boil maybe 1 minute more. And then after it's finished, I can scoop maybe 2 ladles, and then add this on top. And you also can do crushed red, sriracha if you like spicy.
What's crushed red?
It's like dry red pepper, and yeah. You can find them at HEB anywhere. And we're gonna shake this up, and then we're gonna open this. See, this is a crushed red. So you can find them pretty much any grocery store.
So it's just a spicy
Yeah,
crushed red
this is
pepper.
spice. Yep. So we're gonna shake this up. And then we're gonna open it so you can see. And there's like a bunch of different type of coconut milk. Once I put one coconut milk by mistake, so it's a sweet curry instead of regular.
What
So
kind do you like? If you don't want sweet curry, what kind do you put in?
I put in the regular, just
So that's the light coconut
yeah.
milk. Okay.
I do not like sweet, so that's why I like that's not favorite. So you can see it's look like this.
So it's nice and mixed up.
Yes,
So it's
nice
a
and
milky
mixed up.
consistency.
So the time is up. We're gonna turn this down. Do you like medium or low? If you, it's really high like this. This is what I'm really putting. So we're gonna put this and mix. And then we're gonna set this here. And then we're gonna mix it. You can see the curry is getting thicker a little bit. And now we're gonna turn it back a little bit more.
What temperature do you have it on now?
Now I have it back on high because when it's boiling, I don't want to splash all over. And now I'm going to set a timer for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to do 2. So you can see it's getting thicker than before. Maybe. See? And then you can see all the stuff's getting really cooked. So if we add the spice or all the seasoning early, then the seasoning just go end the food more quicker than when you finish cooking and add that. It's not gonna help. So it's better to add the seasoning early and then to get more flavor. So this one, I think it's probably almost done. We're gonna. Yeah, I think we need, I think probably 1 minute will be enough. So we're gonna go ahead and come over and scoop some. So we're gonna turn this down. So you can see all the vegetable and that we put in. Then we go ahead and do one scoop of vegetable. And then another scoop with some mostly juice on it. And then there you have it. And then we're gonna put some green onion. And some crushed red if you like crushed red. So I'm just gonna put, depending how much spicy you like. So what? So thank you for watching my cooking channel. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.